Silver stars, silent night, shadows dancing in the light. I release the heavy day, watch the embers fade empty hands, heart so full, feeling the celestial pull. What was lost is now a grace in this quiet, starlit space. Lying in the blue heart valley, where the soul and silence marry, every breath a grateful prayer, floating on the midnight air. Tracing lines of ancient wood, understanding all is good. The winter chill, the inner flame, calling me by a secret name. Lying in the blue heart valley, no more burdens left to carry. In the glow of orange and gold, a new story starts to unfold. The copper kettle hums a tune beneath the tired, waning moon. Lying in the blue hearth valley, safe within this quiet